guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I have my Ipsy and my Macy's beauty boxes to unbox. I just got my Ipsy a couple days ago, but I didn't get a chance to film till Saturday. So this is going up on Monday or Wednesday because I'm behind on empties because I had something else. So anyway, you're gonna see it this week. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy. Let me know what you think of Macy's. Do you get Macy's? Let me know if you get Macy's. I don't know how many people get it. I love Macy's. I have been getting it I think I missed 1 month because something happened with the card. I feel like that happened one time. And then I missed the very first one because I didn't sign up in time. But I've gotten every other one that they've ever gotten. So I really enjoy it. Sometimes they're not the best, but they're usually pretty good. First off, I have your $5 card. You can use it online and in store, and I do try to use it twice if I can. And then it has the QR code to take you to their website to show you what's on there. I hope this month works because last month it was not bringing it to the right one, and I was like, what is this thing? And then luckily Lisa told me what it was because I was like, what? So thank you, Lisa, very much for that because I was very confused what that was. Also, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do consider doing both of those. It really does help out small content creators and larger ones too. I have this box. This was the first thing in the outer box. And, oh, there's plastic in here. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. So this is glittery. It has water in it. Well, maybe not water, but it has liquid and glitter. It looks like you probably freeze it is what I'm thinking. And then you can like massage it. And then this feels, it's like a foam. Do you have foam rollers? I use a foam roller all the time for my back. It kind of feels like that, maybe a little bit more squishy, but like textured. I don't know if I like that texture on it, to be honest, but that's the first thing. Not sure if I will keep that or not. I'm not sure if that's something that I will end up using. So we'll put it back in the box. Then we have in here, oh, I am going to tell you, if you're not subscribed to Macy's, I just saw a spoiler that the January box is going to be all La Mer. So if you are interested in getting that box, sign up. I think the cutoff, you missed the December box. So sign up today. If you want the January box, sign up now because you have to sign up before, I think, the 10th of December to get the January box. I'm not 100% sure. But if you want the La Mer, I was very excited because I do like La Mer products, but I'm never going to pay for them. So $15 for some samples, I'll do that. First up, we have the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Hydroplay Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturizer. I feel like I just got this and that's upside down. I feel like I just got this in one of my Ulta gifts with purchase bags. So that's the first item. Then we have another tube. This is the Origins Plant Fusion Hydrating Body Souffle. Okay, so that's just a lotion. I mean, these are practical things that I will use. Then we have a Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream. I have so many of these. I've gotten several of these from Tony Moly. I have so many eye creams. I'm never going to be able to use all my eye creams. And my mom has a couple that she keeps trying to use even though they're dried up and they're like little flakes everywhere. I'm like, just use one of the new ones. No. And I was like, I have so many. Help me out here. So I have that one. Then we have the Kiehl's Creme de la Cour or Creme de Cour. Is this, it's glycerin and soybean oil. I don't know. Is this a moisturizer? Is it a body lotion? I'm going to have to look it up because they don't give us information anymore, which I'm sad about. But we have that one. If I remember, I will have it written down here. And then finally, we have the MAC Hyper Real Ceramizer. This is MAC Skincare. And it says back to MAC. I don't think they're going to let me back to MAC this one. And they got rid of back to MAC. So what the heck, MAC? So it's just a little serum. It has niacinamide in it, hyaluronic acid and ceramides, and Japanese peony extract. So serums are always good. I will take that. So what I'm missing is the perfume. That was one of the things that I loved the most about Macy's. So to not have that is a little disappointing. Moisturizer, that's fine. Serum, fine. I will use that. Eye cream, quit sending eye creams. Everybody's sending eye creams, and this will last months. That's probably at least 2 months. And I'm very liberal with my applications, as you probably can tell if you've watched any of my empties. Yeah. Then we have the body lotion, and then whatever creme this is for body or face. Have that. Overall, like a practical month, but not like very exciting. Not something that I'm like, ooh, I'm really excited to have those. These are exciting products. The serum from MAC is probably the most exciting out of those. Then we have my Ipsy. I did not do any add-ons this month. I thought about it, but I've spent too much on other things, so I did not get any add-ons. But this is the bag this month. It is snakeskin. I know last month I decluttered mine. I was like, this is immediately going, because I don't like snakes. I don't like pictures of snakes. I can stand snakeskin. I usually had some boots back in the day that had snakeskin on them. Do you remember Mervyn's? I'm dating myself, but I remember finding these purple boots that had snakeskin at the top, and they were on Mervyn's clearance for $1.98, and they had 2 pairs of my size, so I bought both pairs. My mom was like, yeah, I'll buy you $2 boots. They had the highest deal. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got those. But yeah, they had real snakeskin on them, and they were on clearance for $2. They were probably the ugliest shoes. So we have that inside. I did stick the card when I got it. Okay. Worthless card, doesn't tell me anything about it. That's always super disappointing. So let's see. I'm going to start with the biggest thing. This is from Mark Anthony. It is the Repair Bond Sculpts with an X. This is the Repair and Protect Leave-In Conditioner. So I will always take a leave-in conditioner. I use those regularly, so that's a good one. Then we have Femu. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. And this is a brilliant cleansing gel, very small cleanser. It does have an expiration date on it printed, which is nice because you don't always get that with skincare. But I definitely will use that, a little sample of that. Easy peasy to get through. Then we have Ciate London. I tend to like Ciate London stuff. This looks like a powder. This is the Extraordinary Setting Powder and Brightening Pink. That does have a pink tone to it. I have several setting powders open at the moment. The one I'm wearing today is the Kosas. I'm not sure how I like it, but I've been having problems with like my face looking okay, and I'm not sure if it's moisturizer, I'm not sure if it's primer, I'm not sure if it's the foundation, because even my double wear has not been laying well. So I just finished one that's going to be in my November empties. I'm so excited. So I have that one finished, and then I just pulled back out my Kosas. I also have the Rare Beauty open. I have one from Besame open, and a Kevin Kwan one that I need to start using. That's a press one. So we're going to leave this one sealed for now, just because, yeah, I have too many things going on. Then we have this guy. This is BDB, Billion Dollar Beauty. I thought it was Brows before. They must have changed it. This is the Lip Oil Blushing Effect Clear to Pink. I am probably going to pass this along just because I have gotten so many lip oils lately. I got 2 at Bath & Body Works. I got the set from Fenty of the 3, and I've been using all of those. I got the Dior one. Yeah. And I don't really like the pH changing ones, so I will see if my friend wants this. I have a couple friends who might be interested in that. And then I like the lining. The lining of this one's nice. I also like this color that's kind of like a grayish purple. I don't know. The purple, the color is calling to me. Then this is what I picked out. This is from LYS. This is the Triple Fix Concealer, and it's a full coverage brightening concealer. I got it in the shade LN3, so light neutral 3, I'm thinking. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's spurting out. Don't spurt out like that. Ooh, okay. So that's what it looks like, and then we'll It's a little yellow, I think, but we'll give it a go. We'll give it a try. Hopefully, like these guys down here. Oh, I just got some on my skin. Hopefully it will help conceal these. Maybe it'll be good for my under eyes. Who knows? So recapping, I got the cleanser, I got the leave-in conditioner, I got the setting powder, I got the concealer, and I got the lip oil. Once again, nothing like overly exciting, but I feel like Ipsy had a little bit more excitement. I liked the bag better than the globy thing for Macy's. The lip oil, like at least it's something, even though I'm not going to keep that one. But the loose powder I feel like is a little more exciting as the concealer, like just a little bit, not just skincare, like the other one was basically just skincare. And then a leave-in and the cleanser, that's fine. I have a full face routine now from these two bags. So let me know what your thoughts are. What you got in your Ipsy, let me know that down below as well. Let me know what you think of mine as well. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.